Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? So today I wanted to start actually it's going to be called, I guess, a series of small paintings. I have been asked many times if Diamond Art Clubs makes small paintings, because I always do unboxings of medium size or large ones. So people have asked me, hey, I love Diamond Art Club, but do they make small paintings? And the answer is yes. So this is going to be my first one. This is so tiny. Look at this, guys. Look at the size of the box. I love it. These are perfect for beginners. Okay, so perfect size. So let's look at it very quickly. So like always, just like the big boxes, it comes in the Diamond Art Club, very pretty shiny box. Scan me and unlock for 10%. It tells you what's inside and how it works. Okay, this was called Coffee Cup by Iris. Well, let me see if I can pronounce his name. Iris Gustin. I'm probably not saying it correctly, so I like to apologize. And the it's a round, because it says round diamonds right there, and it's a 8.7 by 8.7 inches, 22 centimeters by 22 centimeters. So it's tiny, guys. All right, so let's open this up. Oh, I didn't mean to rip the box. Okay, so let's see. Wow, it's so cute. All right, let's see. So it's an older kit. You can tell by the toolkit. Okay. So it comes with a small sticker, and this you could either put it on the box or you could put this in your logbook. So let's look at the toolkit. Like I mentioned, this is an older toolkit. Okay. So it comes with the resealable bags. Wow, it's a lot of them. Okay, so put those aside. It comes with a tray. It comes with a diamond pen and the pencil grip to help with your fingers if you have arthritis. It comes with a placer, and it comes with 2 wax, diamond shaped wax. Okay, let's put that aside. All right, all the Diamond Art Club. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. It comes in a plastic bag that says Diamond Art Club. Do what makes you sparkle, and I always say do what makes you happy. All right. Let's see. Where are the drills? Okay. So it comes also with a big sticker, and this you could also put in your logbook. So you put in the start date, the end date, and these are the pre-cut stickers that you put on your containers. And then, of course, with the instructions, step-by-step instructions. Let's put the plastic bag aside. And these are the drills. And it also says Coffee Cup on the sticker. So if you separate the drills from the painting, you'll know that these drills belong to that painting. All right. So Diamond Art Club, guys, the canvas is always very, very smooth. It's designed to prevent wrinkling and fraying, and it's made from heavy-duty waterproof tarpaulin fabric for extra strength. Oh my gosh, this is so small, guys. And like I mentioned, guys, this is actually perfect for beginners. So, you know, if you want to try it out, or you can actually, this is also great for gifting, for birthdays, for Mother's Day, and for your friends. It's also perfect for traveling. Okay, so let's open it. So this is basically a beginner friend. It's beginner friendly. All right, so what do we see? So we see it's like a cup of coffee, and then it has a heart, and it says coffee. It's probably a latte. And then over here you have the coffee beans, and a couple of coffee beans that are around. And so let's look at it. So they all say do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. At the bottom it tells you that it's from DAC, Diamond Art Club, Coffee Cup. It's 8.7 inches by 8.7 inches, 22 centimeters by 22 centimeters. Iris Gustin, Diamond Art Club. Okay, and then you can find them on Facebook or on Instagram. And then over here it's the lifetime warranty, so it's got a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's got a free diamond spill insurance, and it's got a 10% cashback rewards with every order. All the Diamond Art Club comes with 2 legends. One legend is on the left-hand side, on the upper left-hand side, and the other legend is on the lower right-hand side. Okay, so let's look at the legend. It's so big, I have to pick it up, guys. Okay, so let's look at the legend. It's got the symbols, and it tells you that it's got 18 colors, and the symbols are in the middle, and the symbols is what you find in the painting, and that's where you're going to put the drills. And then of course the color code, that's the DMC code. All right, so let's see how sticky this is. Super, super sticky. Let me bring it up so you can see it. It's very, very clear. And there goes the coffee. These are the coffee beans. And the coffee beans in a shape, they're shaped in like a heart. It is a heart actually. And there goes the cup, and the little saucer. And this looks like it's like the shadow. If you look at it, it looks like it's got both color blocking and confetti. Go here, and the coffee beans is a confetti. And over here you have blocking, and color blocking. It just means that it's going to be the same color drill, so you don't have to constantly change. It's very nice. Okay, so let's look at the drills very quickly. If I can get them open. Oh, mamma mia. Is it here? Oh, here it is. No wonder I couldn't open it. All right, and we said it has 18 colors. That's just my phone. Okay, so actually I'm gonna probably lay them out very quickly and tell you the colors. Okay, let's begin. So 310 is black. 355 is terracotta dark. Very pretty color. 356 is terracotta medium. 644, it's beige gray medium. 754 is peach light. 758 is terracotta very light. 779 is cocoa dark. 838 is beige brown very dark. 814 is garnet dark. Actually, this one's gonna be here. 948 is peach very light. 3023 is brown gray light. 3371 is black brown. 3777 is terracotta very dark. 3778 is terracotta light. Lots of terracotta. 3830 terracotta. 3860 cocoa. And 3861 is the last one, and this is cocoa light. That's it, guys. So you can see lots of terracottas and cocos. Okay, and then of course we have one AB. Looks like it's white. So let's look at the painting and let's see where this belongs. Move these all aside. All right, so if you look at this legend, it's the symbol with the dot, and it's all here. It's all around inside the coffee, like the foam. So that's going to look very pretty because it's going to be very shiny. I don't think it needs any more ABs. I think it's perfect. All right, so that's about it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Like I said, and this actually would be perfect also, guys, if you frame this and you put it in the kitchen, and if you have like a kitchen, a coffee station, perfect, right over on the wall. So that's about it. Thank you very much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.